Do you know that TikTok is low hanging fruit and a massive opportunity? And these are my some of commission screenshots of first weekend of the March 2020. And the interesting and funny thing is that this is just by creating 1 minute faceless videos and using TikTok and Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. It's that simple. And do you know that how it's easy to make money online just sitting from home with affiliate marketing and turn it into real money and a real business, and opportunities open for you as I have given all resources those I am using to exact the results I am getting now. So just click the link on my Instagram bio and start right away. And don't forget, you are born winner and normal people like you are making sales and commissions and real money like this. So why don't you be the next one? Cheers from Ashraful Saikat. See you soon, and don't forget to click the link on my Instagram bio